Hi guys, let's talk about how to manage Safari settings on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So to manage Safari settings, go ahead and open settings on your phone first and scroll all the way down to find this last section, apps. After that, go through the list to find Safari app. For that, you can either scroll or use search bar. And now we can manage its settings. For example, I suggest you to enable everything in the Siri settings and also allow to show app in search and show content in search. So you can just search for something and you'll see like content in the Safari app. And also you'll be able to search for the Safari as well. Now, as a default browser, also set Safari. And here you can pick any different language from the list. Of course, we can switch to different search engine. By default, you'll see those options. So I selected Google, but you can choose something else. After that, you can also find here the setting autofill. And you can automatically fill out web forms using your contact or credit card info. So you can tap here to use contact info, find your phone number in the list and set it as your info. Also here you can enable credit cards to be able to autofill that type of information as well. Make sure to include favorites folder to be able to highlight favorite websites. And additionally, you can block pop-ups. Now we got here this fun thing, extensions. So extensions customize the way Safari works. They can change the appearance or behavior of web content, add buttons to Safari and more. For example, I can allow ChatGPT extension. Now I can just write down something and it will be opened in ChatGPT. So let's just wait for its response. And this is like the name of call film, so you can just see short description of that movie. Also, you can allow it in private browsing as well. Now, pick where you wanna download files from Safari. So pick folder in your Files app. And here you can select either tab bar or single tab. I prefer tab bar, which looks like that, but you can switch to different option. Also enable landscape tab bar to be able to move your phone in a landscape view. And here choose how to close tabs. For example, you can do it manually like that. Or you can set like a schedule for deleting tabs. Now also we got here category history and website data, where you can clear history in Safari. Firstly, choose time frame, and additionally you can close all tabs or just tap to clear history. Here make sure that permissions for the microphone, camera are allowed, and also you can enable permission for the location. Now in advanced settings, you can clear website data. For that, tap either this red button or tap on edit and manually delete it like that. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.